Christmas celebration is complete without gingerbread cookies. These are thin and crunchy with the perfect amount of sweet and spice. Typically, these are chewy cookies, but I like crunchy cookies, so this recipe will give you crunchy spicy cookies. Make sure your spices, especially the ground ginger, are fresh and of high quality. The fresher the spice, the more flavorful it will be. These simple ginger cookies not only taste delicious, but these are really easy to make, perfect for kids. You can shape with different cookie cutters to bring kids' attention. Always remember to chill the dough and therefore to gluten to rest, preventing your biscuits to flatten and also from being tough. Starting with the recipe, take one bowl, add ghee, and it should not be melted, not too tight. If your ghee is in melting state, then keep it in a chiller for 4 to 5 minutes. Then add Desi Khaand and give a mix with spatula as if you directly use beater. Then get ready for cleaning your kitchen. So always mix ghee sugar first with spatula and then use electric beater and whisk for 3-4 minutes till color change. In between whisking, always use spatula to scrape the edges for even whisking. Now sieve your dry ingredients: whole wheat, dry ginger powder, cinnamon powder, oats powder, baking powder, milk powder, and then give a good mix. Milk powder is used because it will give a good taste to the cookies. Even you can use your clean hands to make a soft dough and add room temperature milk as required to bind the dough well. Cling wrap the dough and keep it in a refrigerator for 15 to 20 minutes. Using measuring spoons, you can make even cookies, or even you can take half of the dough between two baking sheets. Then use cookie cutter to give different shape, perfect for this Christmas. Preheat the oven at 180 degrees Celsius for 10 minutes and bake at 180 degrees Celsius for 12 minutes or till edges light brown. After 15 minutes, cool down the cookies on wire rack and store in airtight container. Do let me know in comment section how these cookies comes out, and if you like the recipe, do like, share and subscribe to my channel. This will motivate me to make more such types of healthy videos. So stay tuned.